And that's one of the things that's similar to HIV/AIDS is that in these diseases and even in ME/CFS, one of the trends we look at is you may have one infectious pathogen, for example, let's say Epstein-Barr virus, and it might not be a problem yet, but let's say it's able to express one or two proteins. Sometimes those proteins can interfere with the immune response. So
Mm,
every virus, the herpes viruses knock down CD4 T cell counts, CD8,
mm,
but
mm-hmm.
depending on their activity, the immune system may become somewhat more slowed because you have that one pathogen. Now, if you get another infection, it might make it a little easier for that to stick around. For example, an enterovirus, which is another pathogen and that's really implicated in the ME/CFS disease process.
Mm-hmm.
That virus has been found in gut reservoir samples from patients, even in two brain autopsy studies from patients with ME/CFS directly in the brain and the
Mm,
brain stem. So each virus or pathogen that a person acquires can stifle the immune system in a way that makes it somewhat easier for each of the different hits to actually begin to cause more problems, a little like a snowball rolling down a hill where maybe you have the first thing in you, all right, but as you accumulate more and the immune system becomes more, weighed down, each of the organisms. And of course, those you can factor hits in that are not just direct infections. For example, let's say a person's exposed to mold and they inhale, become populated with mycotoxin, or they have a really stressful event, or they have an injury. All of that, anything else that's compromising the immune system, that's debilitating it, can feed into that picture in which the pathogens begin to act more and express more protein, become more virulent, and collectively add up to drive symptoms.